Mike Hughes here. I'm at Dive First Aid, and I'm here with Wes. And Wes, you have a new product here this year?
Yeah, simple little personal first aid kit. Basically, gauze, bandages, tape, small scissors, wipes with soap, pair of gloves,
Everything you need
bandages
for
and
first aid.
band-aids, everything and gauze, everything you need to just kind of get started if you have that accident.
The products that we have that we should mention is the new CPR mask.
CPR mask with O2 inlet. To show here we have.
If I open it, it'll go everywhere. Oh, it's lovely.
There you go.
And then you pop that out and put it right on their face.
You got it.
But first, let them go unconscious first, right?
I would. Otherwise, they might frighten them a little bit then.
Yeah, it could frighten them. And then also, if they didn't hear you coming, they might have used this before they went in the water.
EarShield is the only FDA preventative for ear infections. 2 squirts in each ear about 5 minutes before you get in the water. You should have no problems with equalization or having the water coming out of your ear.
Okay. And so that, and if they want to know more about these products, where would they go to?
DiveFirstAid.com.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you kindly.